guys, what's going on? Davey here, and good morning. Today's Friday. No work today. I'm very happy. Today I am going to Hot Spring, Virginia. At the Omni Resort, formerly known as the Homestead Hotel. My dad used to work there when he was younger. So yeah, it's gonna be like a 3 to 4 hour drive, but I'm excited. I love that hotel. I wish we could stay. Well, I think we are. So, but I can't wait to see the hot spring pool. So yeah, I'm gonna take a shower now, and I guess I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. Andita. So we are here at the Cracker Barrel. Just gonna have some breakfast first. Look at that. Mom's doing already some shopping. Cow! Ouch! I'm tired. Hello. Ooh, Aggie. Hey guys, so I am now at the Omni Resort, also known as the Homestead Resort. This is where my dad used to work a really long time ago, and I'm gonna show you guys where my dad used to live. I don't know if you guys could see this, but that's right there. That's where he used to live. It is cold in here and it's raining, so I'm kind of bummed about that, but I'm really excited to go to the pool and do some fun stuff. There it is, the Omni Homestead Resort. Kind of look like a university, but trust me, it is beautiful inside, and it's also gorgeous here outside. There it is. My mom is right there, walking. She's right there walking. I'm just waiting for her. We're going to the lobby. No! Mamaya.
Sige naman sa ano ko lang.
Okay. Ah, look at that. Beautiful. We are on our way to the lobby to get some tea and sandwiches. Off to the lobby. Right here. Right there. Look at that. We're go shopping, mommy. That.
Malay niya ka.
Come on. So I'm in the restroom. Restroom looks really nice, but if you want to go number one, there. I'm not doing that. I'm going there to do my thing. Okay, so the rain has stopped. I'm just walking around with my parents, and that's the hotel right there. Isn't it gorgeous? Kind of look like a university, as I said earlier, but it is freaking awesome.
5 stages.
I want to see your picture.
Shh, I'm busy.
We want more lights. We want more.
It's like we're in the Philippines.
Not really. Philippines is like they go big.
Really?
Yeah,
I remember my childhood. Yeah.
Oh man, they got the grand
I
finale.
remember.
No hands down, they have the grand finale.
We'll be like, take that.
And he said it's like
Oh my god. Yeah! I'm scared. Oh! Oh.
There's more?
Oh! Oh my god! Whoa! Oh shit! Ah! More.
Happy New Year!
I don't like that sound.
Happy New
So awesome! Now light the car. So I'm
I
just
know, right?
sitting
It's gonna be
here.
a stiff neck.
I'm sitting here. Hello.
I'm sitting here too.
Oh, nobody cares.
I'm his girlfriend.
No, I'm ending this video right now. Mom, I'm sorry.
I'm his real lover.
No. you
No, no, me.
disgusting.
It's a threesome.
Oh, happy 4th.
Happy 4th. Happy 4th. Really.
That song is stuck in my
I
head.
love that song.
Hey. Hey guys, so it is now days later. I forgot to end the vlog. I am so sorry. So what I'm gonna do is I think I'm gonna combine my Hot Spring Virginia vlog and my 4th of July vlog in one video. I didn't vlog much during the 4th of July holiday. Well, basically we just had dinner and played with some fireworks at my friend's house. I am gonna end the vlog here. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe, and share to others. And I'll see you guys again next week. Bye!